Stocks in the deep. We have LAZR, NWL, BQ, FLUX, and ATGE. LAZR down 43.83%. Intraday low in this session, 1.11 dollars. So this is Friday, the 31st of October, 2025. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that this downtrend may continue and may remain in place up till the 3rd of December. Projections are currently saying $1.4 as of today, the 31st. As of yesterday, had up to 1.85. Um, okay, as of this 20th of last week Monday, the 20th of October, it had up to 2.79, 3.16. 3.39. Those are no longer the algos are no longer projecting those upper projections. Everything is severely bearish. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago after loss right now. Let's see whether there's any news. Okay, CFO departure today. Let's see. Okay, CFO departure. I think that's the latest news. There might be other news. Okay, let's see what we have for LAZR. It looks like a lot of shares are crossing the tape. Yeah, 32.67 million, okay, which is almost six times the average 50-day volume. Yeah, that's why it's looking quite active here. People are trading it, yeah, and it's fascinating for them. But it seems are they discovering prices elsewhere? Is it liquid? It's liquid, okay, quite liquid. Yes, people are discovering prices. Apart from aggressive hands are definitely in charge, but the passive ones are also discovering prices. So it's quite a liquid session for quite a liquid market for LAZR. NWL down 32.31%, intraday low $3.09. Yeah, let's see. On Monday, the 27th, it attempted to. It was. I was. It was picking up some strength on from last 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think so. 2 weeks ago, from the 16th, and I kept it up till Friday last week, and then up till Monday today, Monday this week. Yeah, that was a quite a run. I think it began on Thursday, the whole of last week. It was and up till Monday. So that was 7 straight session of gains, and it's over now. Yeah, 7 straight session of gains, and then the whole of this week. Now this is the 4th straight session of losses. Okay. Extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to decline. So, well, if you like, it's going to continue to cycle all the way down towards the. Let's see whether we can get it here. Towards we can't see the end of the bottom of this extrapolation, but we can just say just make it out from here what we have on the on its 10 price pressure momentum indicator on its 10-day moving average. So I think it's going all the way down to Friday, the 21st of November. Then after that, it might bounce. Okay. So as it's saying here, for some reason the extrapolation is saying that momentum might build up while it's declining. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Projections are currently saying 3.85, 3.20 current price, and then 2.80. Previous projections went as high as 6.24, 4.84, 4.15, 3.73. These were in place as of the 7th of October. Yeah, even up to 7.77, 8.25 as of the 8th of October. But they're not being reiterated as things stand right now. The stock is trading at a discount to all of its moving averages. So those positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are now at a loss. Okay, Sharpie maker cuts outlook and says tariff hurts demand. Okay, yeah, tariff headwinds and amongst other things. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of volume so far. That is 7.45, more than five times its average 5 day volume. Yeah, it's optionable as well. Optionable penny stock. Optionable now a penny stock. Yes. Okay. Okay. So people are discovering prices. It seems. Yeah. Yeah. People are discovering prices. So I think this deep is attracting active hands and passive hands as well. Aggressive hands and passive hands. BQ down 50.44%. Okay. Yesterday it yeah expanded to the highs of around 72.74. Is it a case of contracting expansion? Let's see. Yeah, it is contracting expansion and lower prices are continue are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the 11th of December. No projections. 5.25 is a downward projection. Well, that's what's being extrapolated. But we have this, if you like, as comfort 72.74. The probability of that being tested again is not very high. We have 16.97. That was what it closed at yesterday. The probability of that printing is very, very tiny. But it's also within that same tiny probability that it printed that yesterday. Yeah, okay. As things stand right now, okay, well, the positions opened 10 days ago are still trending. The ones opened 21 days ago are severely bearish. Let's see whether we can find any news. Okay, no news. Something may have happened yesterday. Let's see whether we can find it here on Think or Swim. Volume so far 1.316 million. Not a lot. Asian equities traded in US as ADR declined today. BQ decliners. Okay. BQ and education focused. Okay, let's see that by pet focused BQ. Okay, there might be some other reasons. Okay, so the stock is down. Yeah, it doesn't look that active. Not a lot of shares have crossed the tape. So let's see what we have for FLUX. Down 29.23% into a day low, $2.4, $2.48. Let's see what we have. Okay, it doesn't look that liquid, but aggression is there. There's some decent amount of price discovery. Let's see what we have in terms of volumes. Okay, 1.918, 1.918 million shares. FLUX. Yeah, is it a contraction? Not which it is a contraction of an expansion, but it was the peak of that expansion was on Friday, on Wednesday. I think on Wednesday the 22nd. Was it? No, no, no. On Thursday the 23rd of exactly 1 week, one on 1 week ago. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that this decline may remain in place at least up till Friday the 14th of November. Then after that, it might bounce. Okay, projections are currently saying 6.88. between 6.88 and 2.21. Positions opened all the way back to 10 days ago are now severely bearish, including the ones opened 21 days ago. But maybe the ones opened 200 days ago may still be bullish. They may still be in profit. Let's see whether we have any news here. Okay, no, no fresh news. ATGE down 29.21%. Intraday low 94.29. Let's see. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape. Okay, low beta stock, you can see there. So statistically, doesn't the broader market doesn't affect it that much. Yeah, ATGE, ATGE. Okay, extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to print low prices up till Monday, the 10th of November. Then after that, it may begin to cycle to recover the losses it has printed so far. I think it's one of these. It's one of the Asian stocks that are declining. Yeah, 10 and 21 per day moving averages. Their indicators are severely bearish. I think it is. It might be one of those that was mentioned earlier on. Okay, Ad Talem Global Education reported the Q1 adjusted earnings late yesterday of $1.75 per diluted share, up from 1.25, $1.29 a year earlier. Okay, yeah, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Just be really careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.